Okay, let me check the sound quality first. Just want to make sure because I don't like what I did sound on the previous video. Like the sound of the music is not that much, and then the sound of me is also not that clear. Sound of the previous video. Like the sound of the music is not that much, and then the sound of me is also. Sound quality is good. Thank you for. Oh, okay. You might heard me. You might hear me talking twice, but I think it's a lot better on the mic now. I just need to pump up a little bit on the music, I think, because it's a lot better on the mic now. I just need to pump up a little bit on the music, I think. It's a lot better on the mic now. I just need to pump up a little. Okay, so I think we are so much good for now, and maybe a little bit of an intro, but like, yeah, I would personally like your voice more than the music. Of course, let me just throw it down a bit. Let me know if I need to turn up the music or my voice a little more. So yeah, okay, welcome back again to the AM Silver Bullet of ICT. Shout out to Uncle Mike, Uncle M. And now we are a couple of seconds approaching the AM Silver Bullets time window. So what we're gonna do first, as always, is marking the time window. Let me do this on 10 a.m. This is the algorithmic window here, and our end day will be at 11. So that's for the end, and this is for the start. Okay. So a little bit recap on the London session. I wasn't able to go live because I was outside driving, but on the way I was catching trade with my friend, with you guys on the Discord, but turns out that the trade was not going to our favor. It was somewhere around here where the price was, we were anticipating the price to go down, to sell off, but on the 15 minutes I don't see any liquidity, any like solid liquidity getting wiped. And this on the 4322 was the target that I was looking to be wiped before the price selling off. But this move happened outside of the trading zone, so I don't trade this at all. But I did, you guys did take some losses here on the London session. We were opening a sell entry and then get obliterated. But in conclusion, we still have this as our interest level. We have two of this. Okay, let me mark another one. We have this buy side liquidity. My level and yours can be different. Maybe that could be caused by a different broker or some other factors, but this is just how similar it could get. Okay, let me mark another level. Up and down, up and down. Okay. It might be wrong, the level that I'm marking, but as long as I did, what I did has been quite good pretty far, so I'm going to continue it like it is what it is. If it ain't broke, then don't fix it. If it ain't broke, just keep using it, keep doing what it's supposed to be done. So let me go back to the YouTube. Oh hi everyone. Welcome back, Slim. Yeah, you too, bro. Plus Ultra, getting good. I mean, how was your weekend? Yeah, of course, my weekend was good. I mean, hanging around with my friend on the workplace, but that was really cool because can't find people like that. They're cool. I hope yours too getting good. I mean, we're entering this session here on the new week. I hope we are going to be in a blue week again. Hello everyone. Of course, yay, let's have a profitable week. Good until London Silver Bullet happen. That's just one of that much incoming session. I mean, for a week we have like 5 days. On each days at least we are having 2 sessions that we trade. So yeah, losing one doesn't mean that the other 19 will be also red, right? Because if we followed our plan strictly, then one loss will be recovered even in half of a trade. Even 5 losses can be recovered in just 1 or even 2 trades. So yeah, don't bother with that. Just keep doing what we did as best as we can. So because we don't know on which trading setup, which day that we are gonna be bullish or blue profitable, or which one that will be a loss. So just keep doing it from the first day of the week until the end, and then you will be able to recap it by the end. Just only do a recap by the end of the week. If you recap like every day, then for me it's kind of bad because it's not yet the final settlement. So if I just rely on the data during the day, that might be not as good because we are doing this for a long term. So yeah, just like that. I mean, hope you are all having a good time, and let me know if you need or want something about this community to grow. Just don't ask me to send you some money because I will not. I will block you instantly maybe. Okay, maybe for a quick something, let me do a what's called invite people here. Okay, for you guys who haven't joined the Discord server yet, you can join through the link that I share. I will pin the message. It's free, totally free, will always be free. I will never charge any cent for you to join this. You can share this with your friends, with your family, college, co-workers, with whoever. Just, you know, like, I don't know, how do you see it, guys? Okay, I'm still 4 minutes behind the trading window to be started. So let me see. From my bias, I will be zooming out to the 15 minutes first, deleting something that's not used. Oh, I deleted something that's actually oh my god, my laptop is lagging. I really want to buy maybe something. I want to buy a computer. Okay, so as I said before, we were looking for a sell off move after this liquidity being taken here on the 42 ish, but turns out it's not wiped and the price get back here, and now we are on the AM session. We have a new day opening gap over here. I will be looking for a buy setup for now if this sell side is getting taken. I mean, it's not yet on my broker. The broker that I'm using to chart, to do this charting, is Pepperstone. As you can see, this liquidity also marked by the indicator is not yet wiped. This one not, but this one was. But this is happened on the London session. Maybe this what I missed during the move. This one is the actual liquidity that wiped before, and then if I follow that setup here on the London, that will be a really good trade upward. But I didn't, because I was on my phone. That's just the problem trading on the phone. Like, I only limited to some candles, so I can't really see what's happening in the back. So that's just make a point to not, I mean, I don't recommend to trade on your phone, because you could miss a good move. Because even if you only miss one trade, like one candle, you miss one candle, then the entire move will be destroyed. So yeah, so the bias for tonight here in Bali, and that might be AM in your session, which is this is New York. Still looking for a bullish anticipation for now, because I am kind of not sure if this was wiped or not, but looking at the time window, we are still have not wiped any liquidity. Or if this were the liquidity that being wiped, then we are already in the bullish setup. And did we miss it? Oh no, it is still outside. No. Remember, the setup that we're looking for begin from 9:50 or 10 a.m. New York local time. So if you guys don't see this time right here on your trading view or your broker MT4, wherever, especially when it's on the trading view, then you can set this time to the New York UTC -4, so we have the same exact time, so you don't get confused with what the thing that I'm talking about. So yes, I don't count this as a miss of a move, because this was happened outside of the time, which is this one. So I can just, like, ignore that move over there and then just look for a fresh one. And with that being said, we are not yet liquidating any of our drawn level, or if we use this, then we still not receiving any bullish setup. The price in this session is not that fragile. I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of wicks, there's a lot of indecision of the market. Like, compared with this move right here, it's just happening. You can see the move, but with this, it's just like, moving around the range, so it's happening right. Okay, we're starting to get a move here on the 1 minute, because the 10 a.m. just started. What I'm looking right now is a bearish FEG right here. So just for a quick note, if it's on the 1 minute time frame, I will always be reminding you guys what I will be looking for the 1 minute setup. If we are looking for a bullish anticipation, I forgot to mention it, so we are on a buy anticipation. What we're looking on the buy anticipation is, first, the price making a bearish fair value gap, and then followed by a bullish fair value gap, which is in line. If the first FVG happens right here, this is bearish. The bullish must be happening either here or here or wherever it is, as long as both of the FVG are, like, interlapping, overlap, just like that, like in line both. Then this will be the entry for the buy. Could be instant, could be limit. It depends on you, it depends on your risk, on your comfort, but that's just for the setup. And this is what we're looking for in this session. So as we can see, the gap that was formed here was closed by this wick, so we're still looking for another setup to form. Skip that one. Let me see my comment, because I mean my device can't really being used to use both of the app at the same time. That's the Judah swing set up which I was supposed to be, but I was late. I see what you're late for. Was that on Discord? Yeah, that's just the problem with trading multiple models or multiple pairs, instrument, whatever you call it. You might be getting distracted. PNL. Good stuff. So what you did there? That's not even it. Oh, is it the silver bullet? You entered this did the swing on the silver bullet? What you mean? If anyone wants to know this, I see. Okay, very warm welcome from Riot. Thank you very much for not promoting, but yeah, it's our community. I'm not gonna claim that it is mine. No, it's us. So if you guys wanna go, let's go. I mean, yeah, the link is pinned. We can share whatever our thoughts right there. Have a lot of friends. So okay, we are still doing the scanning. It's not Russian. Is it like US? Like, is it my oil? No, it's our. No, I'm our oil. Our community. I don't want to take over every stuff. Okay, we're looking at another FVG here for. So yes, FVG and imbalance and gap is actually the same thing. It just have some names on the internet, but it actually means the same. FVG or fair value gap or imbalance or gap, that's the same. So we are looking good here. The price is having a really good move to the 308 price. So this is a bearish FVG. Okay, if this liquidity is also getting wiped over here, or plus even better if the price is getting back to this new day opening gap, which you can see this purple line over here, it actually printed by my indicator. That will be a much clearer bias on where we're gonna go, because the target has already been tapped or filled. Then yes, but still for now we are looking for. Okay, so here is another FVG forming, not yet formed, not yet valid. Spares. So it's still, we're still waiting for it to be formed. And just for a disclaimer, I am not providing any entry signal or whatever that you call it, paid shit. Fuck it. No, I'm not doing it. And even this YouTube was not intended to be, to grow like any other YouTube channel. No, I was doing this YouTube kind of thing only to journal my trades. so my friend can also see, so I have videos that I can see later. If I'm making a mistake, then I can see what I did in the past, so I have a comparison. So that was the main thing that I'm starting this live session. But you guys here uniting, building up the community by yourself. I'm not even inviting you guys at the first hand. You just here. Like, I'm very grateful for that. But yeah, and again, disclaiming, I'm not providing anything. So basically, you guys do your own risk management. You guys take your own risk, take your own profit, because I don't take any cents of anything from anyone. No, I trade my own account. I do my own thing. But here we as a community will be open to discuss, like searching for a setup. That I'm totally fine and open with that. Like, we are in this together. But in case of taking the risk and taking the profit, it's still in your own hand. Okay, so that's why I'm always going to keep remind you guys on what is my model, what I will be looking at the session, so you can learn about it. And maybe later, if I'm no longer around, or maybe I'm not live because I was going out or having an activity to be done, you still can do it by your own. And if I see your updates using my model, doing great with it, I will be more than being thankful for myself, because it, like, gives more value to my life, because I can teach, not teaching, but just by doing this stuff you can learn, and I have something to look back later. So yeah, so we're still waiting for this thing. Our community. Yeah, thanks to you too. That's okay. We still trying to close this Bears FEG right here. Okay, we see some bullish candles. Yes. Wait. Is this the same level as the previous low? Yes, it is. Okay, this is a double bottom we have here. And if this two liquidity being wiped, then our buy setup will be solid. We are not opening any trades yet right now. We are still looking for the setup to form, because the setup is not yet here. I will delete all of this just to make sure. Oh, what is this? Wait, let me open open up something. Looks like the prices start to play around in just this range. Compressing? Is it compressing? Okay, now this is getting interesting. We have a bullish. What is this? We have a bullish FVG starting to form here inside of this previous bearish FVG. Now let me draw this one. So we have a bullish FVG, a bullish gap here that is forming inside of the previous bearish gap. Here I will mark this as a bullish FVG. Notice that both of these gaps are overlapping. Now this price that slicing each other, I called it, the internet called it, the ICT called it the BPR, bullish BPR. So here, okay, it's formed. Now you can put your buy limit here on the start of that fair value gap, or I will prefer myself to do an instant entry. So let me wait for the price confirmation. Okay, is it tapped? Okay, I will enter my trade now. If you guys want to follow, you are very welcome. Just remember to take your own risk with you. Remember to set your profit and loss limit within your strategy. So here on the ICT default setting, we only targeting 6 handles here. On this broker, I'm in the price of 4214, and the target of me targeting 6 handles will be 6 handles. 6 handles is here. My TP is at 4320. So yep, we are in. Now let's just watch and see what's gonna happen to the price. As always, I will be opening 2 trades, one for the TP1, which is 6 handles, and the other one will be, I think, what do you guys think? Which one will be likely to be targeted? I mean, this level is close with our TP. I think this is a possible and take profit right here. Let me see. Let me put this. I will be So one is 6 handles, the other one is 12 handles. Now I am set and running. Now let's just wait. If it's getting stopped here, I'm still good because that's my plan. That's why I'm keep telling you to do your own risk. It's previous day high. Let me see. Oh, what a chart. Okay, where's previous day? Previous day high. Oh, I actually draw it. Okay, it's in my drawing. Oh, this one is the previous day high. 4327. It's Friday. Yep. Okay, so yeah, we're in. Good luck, guys. Oh, yeah, I forgot to update this setup on our community, our Discord channel. I will be posting this so we have something to look back later. Copy image. Okay. Discord. AM setup. What date is today? It's 12/6/2023. Okay. Don't forget to drink water. Are you guys in? Let me see where I went wrong. The stop is 5 minutes. Let me see this one. So the price is still playing around. Don't mind that sound, I'm just setting the take profit and the stop loss on my MT4. Okay, since we got our 1 minute model, I will be also taking a look at the 5 minutes model. I will only be just looking at the 5 minutes. Okay. This is okay, I see a bearish here of the 5 minutes that happened during this time. Yeah, it's inside our trading zone. It's bearish. You see this white indicator rectangle? That means a bearish FVG on the 5 minutes. It is not aligned with our 1 minute setup because the market is again. It happens often during Monday and Friday because the market is still opening on Monday and closing on the Friday. That means not much of a volatility going on in the market, not much bank order being injected here, so the price will be just going like up and down, back and forth in the same level, making indecision. So we just form sell side liquidity here by my indicator. It's not mine personally, but I mean I use this indicator. So shout out to the indicators here. I'm losing ICT concept by Lux Algo, BPR by TFO, and opening gap. Is it opening? Yeah, opening FEG Silver Bullet by MK. Shout out to the guys making this happen. It's pretty awesome. I mean, it helped me a lot looking at the chart, understanding about what's going on. So yeah, just let the trade run as our plan. My laptop is so lagging, even to open a WhatsApp, it's hanging. Help! Help! Oh, I can't go back to the stream. Oh, this is not that good. Oh. Okay. I see the song now gets stuck. It's lagging so much. Help. I need to close some apps. I will close this. Boom. I think that helps me a lot. Or at least. Oh wow. Okay. Are you guys still with me? Can you hear me? I mean, is my voice clear, or do I need to boost it even more? Because if you demand that my voice to be like higher than this, I'm afraid I can't. Because let me see, I am using a headset right now, and if you can't see it, I mean hear it at this time. What am I looking at? This one. I'm using an app. It is 100%. Microphone boost. It is already boosted. It is already good. It is already here and there. So it's all maxed. Still going back and forth in this price range on our entry point. Just wait and see. I'm studying as well. I see. Sorry to bother you. I mean, what are you studying? Like reading a book or watching a video or coding? You are a coder, right? If you hear any background music, just please ignore it. Guys said that my voice is not clear enough, but you can hear the background sound happening. So what is that mean? I mean, damn it. Okay, that looks like we are heading to our stop loss limit, but not yet there. Still playing around. Okay, this prices went here, went here. Okay. Or I will count this as the white. This is why I'm reminding you guys to just you know, do it on your own risk, because I am not a fortune cookie giver. all of my trade will not be profitable, but I have the plan, so I will execute it and let it run. It's not about the trade that's important, but it's your mental. Can you handle it? Because I don't want you to do a full margin orders after you see my setup. No, please don't do that. Still control your risk, so you can still have something left to be traded tomorrow. It will smash your TP. Of course, everyone wishes that it does. This is manipulation right now. Sure thing, I'm really hoping it does, because it's just 0.7 handles. One handle to my stop loss right now. Might touch the new wick opening gap, but I am sure it's gonna fly up. New wick. Oh, is this new wick? Of course, this is a new wick. It's purple. My new day was pink, and I hide it. I don't show it. But if it touched the new wick opening gap, then my stop loss will be triggered. After the price tapping the stop loss and then it fly, it might be and might not. But if it does, I will not be taking any more trade, because it's almost by the end of our session, like 17 minutes, couple of minutes to go. So I will, whatever happened in this trade, I will be counting it as a day. So yeah, loss or a win, no problem. At least we did our setup, we did our best analyze, we did our best trade, so no problem at all. Remember to do that. I think I'm getting bored with this song. Do you guys any? Hey Mickey, my dog came. Do you guys any recommendation of song that I can play, but make sure that it is copyright free? Like, because I don't want my YouTube channel to be taken down. Maybe look for like what gaming trading, what gaming what gaming music, no copyright. That will always work. Listening too much to a chill song can actually make you not chill anymore. Which one's good? I don't know. Just play the this one, the top one, the one on top. What do we got? Why is it called Cyberpunk? It's just really no copyright. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm bored to listen to. I mean, who knows, the hype of the song can like help the charts move. No, it's not gonna happen. No, or this one. I'm being indecisive right now. Just a freaking song. I think I know what I want to. This one. Is it no copyright? I don't care anymore. It will be copyrighted, I believe. But who cares?
WordPress made
Oh, no ad. No paid promote. No more ad.
Gigi, I've decided not to leave this town. Maybe I can stay and find some other nice people who will like me and accept me for who I am.
Okay, the price is coming back to our entry level here.
Trusting your spirit, yes, that's exactly
Looking
what I'm
good, the
talking
pump. This is a lot more better song, see? I remember listening to this music back when I was in college. Yeah, it was frustrating. No, actually, it was such a memorable experience. I mean, I'm not doing this song when I was studying, but I was playing games. Like I was starting a YouTube channel. I mean, just like, I want to talk about this. If you don't want to listen to it, just don't. Close the stream. But yeah, I have a flashback. So back at the time, I was playing PUBG. I know you guys familiar with that, PUBG. I really love that game, and I started my YouTube channel with that. But no growth, so I ditched it away. That was a but overall really fun experience. And now I can't play any more PC gaming because my laptop is crap. I sold my PC. Damn. I'm gonna buy the PC back again. Bro, it's just AMD. What was the AMD again? No, let me answer. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Let's go, give me the A. Let's go. Walk in the class like, give me the A. A plus or S plus. Like, I don't know. Yeah. I believe in that too. That's why I believe in my plan. I believe in you all. Wait it out. Smash the TP. I just read that message. Sorry. Hope it's distribution, and right now it's gonna smash our TP. After the boss, there will be an FEG form. Price will come back to potential entry. Oh, potentially the entry again. Then we'll fly. Are strong, y'all. Yes, sir. Bro's gonna fly soon. Okay, maybe if Oliver is watching here, I think you are right about the market structures shift, MSS or CHOCH, change of character, whatever you guys said. I mean, this setup will be likely valid or even stronger, the confirmation, if we'll wait for the MSS big, or I will be also making a journal for that, which trade are weak, which setup are weak, and which setup are strong, and I will compare them side by side to see if the MSS is actually taking a place here, because the ICT by himself is telling, oh no, ICT did not mention MSS or something, but YouTubers along YouTube is telling that after the wipe of liquidity, wait for the displacement that caused an MSS that form an FEG, then we enter. I think I heard about that somewhere in YouTube. I'm not sure, but maybe. So I will be keep you guys on track about what's happening. For you guys who doesn't know what MSS is or what market structure shift is, let me go back to the chart here just for quick explanation. There's a lot of factors, but just for a quick explanation. So as you can see here, the market is going bullish or to the upside, going up. The price is moving higher, so it moves from this, like right here, go up. You can see that the market is making a pullback. Pullback mean this little move to the other side of the trend of the original move. This is a pullback, and then the price making another move higher to the upside. This tells us that the price is going bullish, going up. But then the price is breaking the previous low of the closest, the latest swing or the pullback, and that break to the opposite side, opposite direction, is called MSS. This one, market structures shift or change of character, because the original character of this move was bullish, and then here the character of the market shifted to bearish. So this is MSS, and this is a displacement. Displacement mean that the price is going to wherever it's like, but likely to the opposite direction after the swipe of liquidity. After taking out this, then the price is displacing or moving this big candle compared to the other candles, which are small, but this is big, and then it make the market structure shift and also forming a fair value gap. Then as you can see, it's really strong. It go to hell. I mean, no, not really. But yeah, but I'm still not sure, because from the beginning I was using my model until right now. I was just blindly not using the MSS and just using the model setup. But I will do a comparison later and see if this actually takes place on the trade. Let's see what the price do right now. It come back again to the entry point. Still in the trade. So it's only 7 minutes until our trading set window is closed. So just remember to set your stop loss and your TP at your desired level, so when you guys living it sleep or whenever maybe doing your activities during the day, it will keep your trade safe. Okay, I will be away for a second. I will be back any moment.
No one knows me like a piano. You show me I had something people call home.
Alright, I'm back. So one of the member in the community just captured the tweet by ICT. So for you who didn't know, who don't know who ICT is the one that authored this model. He is the one who made the model, the original, and of course we are following his model, but with a little bit of improvise here and there, but still we are following the code. And the tweet was saying that the market today will be consolidating and not moving in any direction, because it's likely caused by the event, the news they're gonna start tomorrow. With that CPI, I think it's a high impact news on the USD. So ICT said that it's not going to move now, but generate liquidity to be driven tomorrow on the news. So our trading hour has been ended here. I think I will be closing all of my trades here on the break even. My break even is not actually here because my broker is different. My break even, my opening price is 314. Let me mark my 314. So here, this is my broker price. I will close the trades on the break even, all of my trades, and maybe with my friends on the community too on Discord will also do the same, just to make sure that everything is set up for the day. For the day, it doesn't have to be profitable or something, because our mentor said that it's not going to be a good day, then it's not going to be a good day. So do not deny what the mentor said. So okay, let's hope this push will exceed this level so we can continue our day or go to sleep in peace. Okay, so did you learn something today? Nice profile pictures. Just don't put any of your contact here. Or maybe the boys will come to you, slide into your DMs. Afraid. As you can see here, the price is just going back and forth in this level right here, generating liquidity. I am not sure when will this liquidity being driven or taken out. Maybe today after hours, or maybe in the PM, or maybe somewhere, maybe tomorrow on the news. Don't know, but still looking for a break-even close right now. And yep, I will be keep my life on for a couple of minutes, but I think it's gonna stop us, but no problem, still on the plan. Let's wait and see. Alright, I'm back. Oh, just by the time I'm back, the price is, let's go a little bit more. Okay, I'm out. I'm all out on my BE break even. So just lucky for me, I guess. And I will call this day a day. Day. So I exit the trade on my break even, not actually on this, because of my broken have different price. That's actually the same. But yes, to summarize, today is a minus day for me, maybe for you too, because that was caused by the London. But here on the AM session, since we are following the ICT that we need to close our trade on the break even, so I did. And yeah, if you want to hold your trade, just remember to risk per plan. Do not risk more than that. But if you feel like uncomfortable and you are in a small profit here, now it is recommended to close it. But it's all up to you. I don't demand anything. You can do it by yourself. Just take it by yourself too. Alright, don't blame anyone. Stay positive and slim out. Yeah, that's it. Thanks. Be safe.